Bob Saget's family filed a lawsuit against Florida officials Tuesday to block the release of records related to the Full House actor's death investigation, according to court documents obtained by USA Today. Saget's wife, Kelly Rizzo, and 3 daughters, Aubrey, Lara and Jennifer Saget, filed the lawsuit Tuesday against Orange County Sheriff John W. Mina and the District 9 Medical Examiner's Office. Both conducted investigations into Saget's cause and manner of death. The lawsuit cites that Rizzo and Saget's daughters would suffer irreparable harm in the form of extreme mental pain, anguish, and emotional distress if further details about the 65-year-old comedian's death be released or disseminated to the public. During investigations into Saget's death, according to the lawsuit, a number of materials including photographs, video recordings and audio recordings were created, some of which graphically depict Mr. Saget, his likeness or features or parts of him. While the court rules on whether to permanently stop the release of information, Saget's family is seeking a temporary and permanent injunction that would prevent the county sheriff and the medical examiner from releasing any further materials to anyone other than them. Bob Saget's cause of death was head trauma in hotel, family and medical examiner say. USA Today has reached out to Orange County Sheriff John Mina and the District 9 Medical Examiner's Office for further comment. The lawsuit also cites Saget's family's privacy rights as justification for the injunction. The lawsuit states that releasing any further details about Saget's death would cause immediate and widespread dissemination of the records to the Internet, as well as print and television media outlets, contributing to the harm inflicted on Rizzo and Saget's daughters. Bob Saget, beloved TV dad on Full House and America's Funniest Home Videos host, dies at 65. From Full House to NSFW comedy, Bob Saget's best career moments show why he was so loved. Saget was found unresponsive in the bed of his room at the Ritz-Carlton Orlando on January 9 with no sign of trauma or foul play, according to the sheriff's office at the time. A hotel security officer had entered the room after Saget failed to check out and called 911 when he found him unresponsive. Deputies and paramedics came to the scene, and he was pronounced dead. A statement from Saget's family released February 9 shared the conclusion from the medical examiner's office, which stated Saget's death was the result of blunt head trauma, most likely linked to an unwitnessed fall. The Orange County chief medical examiner corroborated the statement the next day. The authorities have determined that Bob passed from head trauma. They have concluded that he accidentally hit the back of his head on something, thought nothing of it and went to sleep, the statement sent to USA Today by Saget's longtime publicist Michael O'Brien said. No drugs or alcohol were involved, the statement added. On January 10, the Orange County Chief Medical Examiner in charge of investigating the death said an autopsy indicated no evidence of drug use or foul play. trauma surgeon Carrie George told USA Today that a blow to the head can push the brain up against the skull, resulting in a concussion, a type of brain injury. George says concussion can lead to two possibly fatal scenarios: bleeding and bruising of the brain or asphyxiation during unconsciousness. Bob Saget's wife Kelly Rizzo pays tribute after Full House star's funeral. Could it happen to you? Contributing, Brian Alexander.